I can't go on any further. It's too cold. Mom, weren't you the one who told us to keep going when we got exhausted and couldn't push on? Weren't you the one who encouraged us to keep going? Yes. And I say, get up and let's go. We have to find a place to sleep. I mean, we can't just stay here in this freezing cold snow. Come on, Mom. Get up. We have to go. Brr. It is freezing. Fine. Ugh. So cold. Hey, I heard that there is a herd of horses nearby. We can hunt them for some food, and then we'll find a den to sleep. I think actually right here there's a den, but it's covered in snow. Okay. This looks like a pretty good den. We can stay here for the night. Now, we need food. Kids, get in the den. I don't trust the outdoor weather. And two, we're still running away from my pack. Why did we ever leave Dad? Because he's a loner. And my father disapproves of loners. So he became a pack member. But he hates me because I married a loner. Now, kids, I'll be off hunting. You stay here and be safe. Be safe, Frost. Oh, no. See? Found food. Perfect. Now we can eat. We should find somewhere to bed down for the night. Yeah, son. Your mate speaks the truth. Dad, I'm cold. Jackie is cold, honey. We need to find a place to bed down. But isn't food more important? Son, I hate to say this. I mean, I'm not trying to control your herd, because I did give you the herd. But we should find a place to bed down. Like your mate said, if your foal is freezing, we need to find a place to bed down so they don't freeze to death. You make a point there, Father. I will find a place. But then after I am looking for food for the little ones, so we don't all die and go extinct. We're not going to go extinct. Horses have been around since the dawn of time. Ow. Why does this hurt? Hey, Father. Ugh. Oh, these old bones. I don't think they can handle another fall. Ugh. Yeah? Isn't there like a little cave over there? We can stick the foals in there. Good idea. Let's look. I think we can. Perfect. Foals. Yeah? Come over here. We found somewhere for you guys to lay down. I just have to dig it out a little bit. You have to dig around a little bit, but there's some bedding in there. Just don't waste the leaves. There's only so many that we can use for your bedding. Us old-timers have to sleep as well. Yes, Father. Come on, Phil. Foals and colts and fillies. Are you okay, son? I'm your daughter, you stupid. Sorry. I'm just getting so cold I can't speak right. Ugh, it's so snowy. Oh, it's so cold. We all need to huddle together and share warmth and heat. I'm joining my friends. Ugh. I hate snow. Can I plop right in the middle? Sure. It looks like we're all trying to keep Jackie warm. Well, I'm the one that's freezing here. I'm an adopted Clydesdale foal because my mama abandoned me. I know, honey. You guys are built for this weather. I'm not. Your foal speaks the truth. We are meant for this weather. They aren't. There they are. I'm so close, but I better keep my mouth shut. I better wait till the stallions move so I can go in for the kill. Ah! Get the snow off. It's so cold. Hey, it's not my fault that the elders are pushing the snow to make a den for us. Ah, it's so cold. Fools. It's so cold. All right, I'm out. Until that snow is cleared, I'm not going in there. Yeah, same for me. It's too cold. Fine, we'll clear the snow. And we'll see if we can find any more leaves to put in there. Geese. What are geese doing out at this time? They should be hibernating south. There. That's as best as we can do until we find some leaves. Fools huddle up together. I'll be on the bottom. Well, you need the warming. We're still sort of warm. Thank you, guys. No problem. No, really, thank you. We're gonna go off and find some leaves for you little fools. The whole herd? Yes. Okay. Your mom will be here to protect you. You mean Calypso? Yes. Honey, I have to go find some leaves for the fools so they don't die. Okay, I'll be here. Come on, herd. The snow is so deep. Well, you're a pony, I think. No offense. Oh, don't worry, I'm not taking it offensively. Whoa! Hey, you dropped snow on us. Sorry. That's why you gotta walk patiently. Alright, fools. So while they're gone, I'm protecting you. Okay, Miss Calypso, we're just gonna sit here and get warm. Okay, darling. Perfect. The fools. I can sneak in and grab one right now if I really, really wanted to. And I really, really do need to. So let's go. We're gonna gently take one. Pops, I'm back, and I got you food. Is it alive or dead? It's alive. I want you two to have the honor in killing it. Why is it laying there? 'Cause it's asleep, you dum-dum. Oh. How's it not awake? I don't know. Do you want to help me, Frost? No, thank you. I'd rather just eat it. Okay, Frost. Last chance. No, go ahead. We did it! We killed our first prey. With help, though. Let's start feasting. Are you gonna eat, Mom? No, I'll eat when you're done. In my pack, pups are gonna go first. Meat. I'm starving.